Before you begin, remove the access panel, riser assembly if installed, memory fan duct assembly, gigabit expansion board, rear fan, memory fan, M.2 solid-state drives if installed, and all PCI cards. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the location of all cables connected to the system board for later replacement. Disconnect all cables from the connectors on the system board. Remove the 9 8.5mm T15 Torx-head screws that secure the system board to the chassis. While grasping the processor heatsink, carefully lift the system board slightly and slide the external connectors out of the cutouts in the chassis. Lift the system board up and out of the chassis. Note: if you are installing a new system board, remove the following from the old system board and install onto the new system board: real-time clock RTC battery, processor and heatsink, memory modules. Replacement. At an angle, carefully slide the system board into the chassis and place the standoffs on the bottom of the system board into the cutouts in the chassis. Slide the system board toward the rear of the chassis to insert the external connectors into the cutouts in the chassis and to secure the system board into place. Important: ensure the audio extension cable is routed through the notch in the system board. Replace the 9 8.5mm T15 Torx-head screws that secure the system board to the chassis. Connect all cables into the connectors on the system board. Important: after system board replacement, be sure to complete post-installation tasks as required that may include verifying functionality of the computer, updating the BIOS, updating DMI and other settings,